This is how I would go viral if I was an Indian restaurant and how I would convert that traffic into customers. You have endless amount of ideas because your food is your content. You're gonna make this video for every single item on your menu. We just got an order for Shahi Paneer. Let me show you how we make it. First, we're gonna start with the sauce. Time to add the paneer. Time to mix it up. So what makes us different is everything is actually grown at home from my grandma's garden for you, so you can get the freshest taste out there compared to these frozen food places. And that's how we make our Shahi Paneer. So now you're gonna start posting each and every single video, and this is how we're gonna convert these viewers into customers. The market decides what they want. So if people like dal makhani better than momos, that's a winning product right there. These are insignificant. So we're gonna toss all of these to the side, and you're gonna make a promo on your Shahi Paneer. For example, everyone on December 25th is gonna get free Shahi Paneer only on December 25th. So this is smart because everyone knows you're not only gonna come for Shahi Paneer, you're gonna get some naan, you're gonna get some rice, you might get some drinks and dessert. So now you gotta make sure your food is actually really good, because that's how you're gonna get reoccurring customers from one single video.